Hey guys, welcome back. For this next lecture, we'll be doing some more formulas, but instead of just doing totals and averages, we're going to do some forecasting. So, straight away from the word forecasting, you can immediately hear where you can apply this in your day-to-day living. Okay? So, if you already have information, you can do these simple types of formulas to project what's going to happen in a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and you don't have to be a rocket scientist or some expert at Excel. This is enough to give you an idea, and that's all we're trying to do. So for this example, we're going to determine how many hot dogs we're going to sell in a year and per month based on the information we already have. Okay, so you're going to start by typing in projected hot dog sales over 1 year. So let's put that here. Okay, projected hot dog sales over 1 year. So next, we're going to actually write the formula. Now, a little bit different from what we've done earlier, which is before we either did just constants like 3 times 5 or 10 times 3 in one formula, or we did a relationship, which is cell D 4 times E 4, something like that. What we're going to do is combine the two elements, constant, which is just numbers, and relationships. So what we're going to do is projected hot dog sales over 1 year. The value we have right here is for 1 week. So there's 52 weeks in a year. We're just going to multiply it. So if we go into this cell, again, you want to tell Excel you're about to do a formula. So you type equals, like so. Next, we want to find the value we're calculating with, okay, which is this 35. So click on it, and that will automatically generate your formula, like so. As you can see, E11, which corresponds to E11 here, which goes all the way across, and the letter E here. So I thought I'd just make that clear in case some of you guys are wondering. Okay, now we want to multiply this by 52. So to do multiplication, we use the asterisk or asterisk, not sure what the word is. Okay, like so. And for those of you who can't find it, I'm going to put it up on the screen. It's shift and then number 8. And then we want to type 52. Okay, then you press enter. So based on our calculations, we're going to sell 1,820 hot dogs in 1 year. Pretty cool. And now we want to calculate how many we're going to sell per month. Let's say we do our banking and paperwork every month. So we're going to do it by month. So we're going to type projected hot dog sales over 1 month. Okay? So again, we want to tell Excel we're going to do a formula. So what do we do? Equals. Now we're going to divide. So we're going to start with the top, with the number on the top. Okay, also known as the numerator for you math fanatics out there, which is 1,820 right above. So we're going to click that. Excel is going to generate the formula. Then we want to do divide. Now that's done by the slash. I'll show you guys where that is on the keyboard. It's next to the shift and enter buttons on the keypad. And we want to divide this by 12 as there are 12 months. Okay, now you press enter. There you go. We're projecting we're going to sell 1,820 hot dogs in 1 year. And then that's about 150, let's say 152 hot dogs per month. I mean, that's incredible just from the simplicity of this. So you can imagine this for different things, you know, your bowling score, AFL scores, your own business, your staff, managing any sort of data. Now, the great thing is, and I've showed this over and over again, and I want to keep showing it, is the fact that these formulas are now linked up. This is linked to this, right? Let's do that again. This one is linked to this, Okay, and this is linked to this, right? So all the formulas, you're starting to see where all the relationships are. Now the great thing is, if I change just one value in this table, it's going to affect the results of the rest of the table. So let's do that. I'm going to change this to, let's say we start with 300 hot dogs. Have a look at what happens with all the values. Okay, it updates. And even though the values change, Excel maintains all of those relationships. On paper, you can't do that. Okay, so we're going to leave it there. I hope you guys learned something here about projections and forecasting and maintaining relationships with formulas. Let's change this back before I go. There we go. All right, guys, I will see you next time.